Ever wondered how many ways you can cook rice noodles? Well, the answer might surprise you. Rice noodles, those elegant, slender strands of culinary delight, are far more versatile than you might imagine. They're like the chameleons of the kitchen, able to adapt and enhance any dish they're part of, whether it's a hearty soup, a vibrant salad, or even a sweet dessert. Originating from the vast culinary landscape of Asia, rice noodles have gracefully pirouetted their way onto the global stage, becoming a beloved staple in kitchens around the world. Their ability to soak up flavors and provide a satisfying, gluten-free alternative to wheat-based pasta has made them an irresistible choice for countless dishes. And the beauty of rice noodles? They're not just for the professional chefs in shiny kitchens. No, they're for anyone with a pan, a handful of ingredients, and a dash of creativity. Yes, that includes you. In today's culinary adventure, we're diving headfirst into the delightful world of rice noodles. We're not just dipping our toes in the shallow end, we're going for a full-blown cannonball. We're exploring not one, not two, but 5 unique, quick, and incredibly tasty recipes that you can easily whip up in your own kitchen. We'll be showcasing dishes that range from the traditional to the unexpected. Each recipe is designed to highlight the versatility of rice noodles and provide you with fresh, new ideas to spice up your mealtimes. And the best part? These dishes are not just delicious, they're also quick and easy to prepare. So, even if you're a busy bee, you can still enjoy a mouth-watering meal in no time. So, are you ready to embark on this culinary journey with us? Are you ready to discover the many faces of rice noodles, to taste the delightful symphony of flavors they can bring to your table? If so, grab your apron, your spatula, and your sense of adventure. It's time to turn that package of rice noodles in your pantry into a masterpiece on your plate. So buckle up as we journey through the culinary world of rice noodles. Our first stop is a refreshing rice noodle salad. Now let's dive into the ingredients needed for this vibrant dish. You'll need some rice noodles, obviously, and then there's a colorful array of fresh vegetables. Think crisp cucumbers, juicy cherry tomatoes, crunchy carrots, and fragrant fresh herbs like mint and cilantro. To add some protein, we're going with cooked shrimp, but feel free to swap it out with your protein of choice. And of course, we can't forget the dressing. A tantalizing mix of lime juice, fish sauce, sugar, and a little kick of heat from some finely chopped red chili. Now let's get down to business. Start by getting your rice noodles cooked. Just follow the instructions on the packet. It's usually as simple as soaking them in boiling water until they're tender, but still have a bit of bite. Once they're done, drain them and rinse under cold water to stop the cooking process and keep them from sticking together. While the noodles are doing their thing, you can get started on your vegetables. Slice your cucumbers, halve your cherry tomatoes, shred your carrots, and roughly chop your herbs. The aim here is to create a myriad of colors and textures that will make your salad as visually appealing as it is delicious. Next, let's talk about the dressing. Here's where the magic happens. Combine your lime juice, fish sauce, sugar, and chopped red chili in a bowl. Give it a good whisk until the sugar is completely dissolved. Taste and adjust as needed. Remember, the dressing should be a balance of sour, sweet, salty, and spicy. Once everything is ready, it's time to assemble the salad. Mix your cooked noodles, prepared vegetables, and shrimp in a large bowl. Pour over the dressing and give it all a good toss until everything is well coated. And voila, that's it, folks. A refreshing rice noodle salad that's as easy to make as it is delicious. Perfect for a quick lunch, a light dinner, or even to impress at your next potluck. And that's how you make a quick and flavorful rice noodle salad. Next, we're venturing into the sizzling world of stir-fried rice noodles. Get ready to be entranced by the tantalizing aroma and the symphony of sizzles as we create this quick and delectable dish. For this recipe, we'll need a handful of ingredients. Grab some rice noodles, of course, and then a medley of vegetables. We're using bell peppers, carrots, and spring onions, but feel free to toss in your favorites. Don't forget your proteins. Tofu or shrimp work wonders. To amplify the flavors, we'll need some soy sauce, a dash of vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Now let's get cooking. First, prepare your rice noodles according to the package instructions, usually soaking them in hot water until they're soft and pliable. While those are getting ready, heat up a wok or a large frying pan. Add a splash of oil and let it heat up until it's shimmering. In go your proteins, cooking until they're golden brown and crispy. Once they're cooked, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Now, let's create a colorful canvas with our vegetables. Toss them into the hot pan, stirring them around until they're just tender. It's a quick process. We want to maintain their vibrant colors and a bit of crunch. By now, your noodles should be ready. Drain them well and add to the pan, stirring them in with the vegetables. Now it's time to create that savory symphony of flavors. Pour in your soy sauce vinegar and sprinkle in the sugar and black pepper. Stir everything together, ensuring the noodles are well coated in this delicious concoction. Finally, add back your proteins, giving everything a final stir to combine. Voila! Your stir-fried rice noodles are ready to be devoured. The quick cooking time makes this dish perfect for those busy weeknights, and the savory taste will have everyone asking for seconds. Enjoy the burst of flavors, the satisfying textures, and the sheer joy of a well-made, home-cooked meal. Moving on, let's dive into the comforting bowl of rice noodle soup. This dish is all about simplicity, but that doesn't mean it lacks in depth of flavor. It's a soothing, hearty meal that you can whip up in no time. The ingredients for this soup are straightforward. You'll need some rice noodles, of course. Then we have some fresh vegetables. Let's go with carrots, bell peppers, and bok choy, but feel free to experiment with whatever veggies you have on hand. For the protein, tofu is a great choice, but you can switch it for chicken, beef, or shrimp. Next, we need some aromatic elements. Garlic, ginger, and green onions are our best friends here. And for the broth, you can use vegetable or chicken stock, depending on your preference. Now let's get cooking. Start by preparing your rice noodles according to the package instructions. While they're cooking, heat some oil in a large pot. Once it's hot, add in the minced garlic and ginger. Let them sizzle for a bit until they release their lovely aroma. Now, throw in your chopped vegetables and sauté them until they're crisp tender. Next, pour in your broth and bring it to a boil. Once it's bubbling, lower the heat and let it simmer for a while. This is when the magic happens. The flavors from the vegetables and aromatics will infuse into the broth, creating a deliciously rich soup base. While the soup is simmering, take this time to prepare your protein. If you're using tofu, pan fry it until it's golden and crispy. If you're using meat or shrimp, cook them until they're properly done. Once everything is ready, it's time to assemble. Start with a generous serving of rice noodles in a bowl. Ladle the hot soup over the noodles, making sure to scoop up plenty of vegetables. Top it off with your protein of choice and finish with a sprinkle of chopped green onions. There you have it, a bowl of warm and delicious rice noodle soup. Up next, let's roll with some scrumptious rice noodle rolls. We'll start by revealing the ingredients that make these rolls a real treat. You'll need some flat rice noodles, a medley of your favorite veggies like bell peppers, carrots, and bean sprouts, some tofu for protein, and let's not forget some soy sauce and sesame oil for that savory flavor kick. Now let's get rolling. First, you'll want to bring a pot of water to a boil and cook your rice noodles until they're just tender. Remember, we're going for that perfect balance between chewy and soft. Once they're cooked, drain the noodles and give them a quick rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. While your noodles are cooling, it's time to prepare the filling. Start by sautéing your veggies in a pan with a bit of oil until they're just tender. Then add in your tofu and continue to sauté until it's golden brown. For that final touch, add in your soy sauce and sesame oil and give everything a good stir. The aroma that fills your kitchen will be simply irresistible. Now it's time to assemble your rice noodle rolls. Lay out your cooled noodles on a flat surface and place a portion of your filling in the center. Then, roll the noodles around the filling, tucking in the ends as you go. The result will be a delightful roll packed with flavor and texture. Finally, steam your rolls for about 5 to 10 minutes until they're heated through. This will help meld the flavors together and give your rolls that unique, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Once they're done, you can serve your rice noodle rolls with a side of soy sauce or your favorite dipping sauce, and voila! You've created a dish that's not just visually appealing, but also bursting with flavors and textures that will surely tickle your taste buds. And that's how you make your very own rice noodle rolls. And for the grand finale, we present to you dessert rice noodles. A dessert with a twist that's going to satisfy your sweet tooth and your noodle craving all at once. Now let's dive into the world of sweet, creamy, and noodly goodness. First, let's gather our ingredients. We're going to need some rice noodles, of course. We'll also need a can of coconut milk. The creamy kind, not the light one, because we're going for indulgence here. Then, we'll need a bit of sugar, some salt for balance, and a handful of your favorite tropical fruits. Think mangoes, bananas, or lychees. Lastly, don't forget a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for crunch. Now, on to the fun part, cooking. Start by boiling your rice noodles until they are just cooked. You want them to retain a bit of bite. As our noodles are cooking, let's prepare our sauce. In a pot, combine the coconut milk, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it bubble away until the sugar is entirely dissolved. Once your noodles are cooked, drain them and plunge them into cold water to stop the cooking process. This ensures your noodles stay perfectly chewy. Now it's time to combine everything. Add your drained noodles into the coconut milk mixture and let it simmer for a couple of minutes, allowing the noodles to soak up all that sweet, creamy flavor. While that's happening, let's prep our fruit. Chop up your chosen tropical delights into bite-sized pieces. You want them to be ready to mingle with our dessert noodles. When everything is ready, it's time to assemble. Ladle a generous heap of our coconut-soaked noodles into a bowl, top with your vibrant fruit, and finish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. And there you have it, a sweet ending to our rice noodle extravaganza. Dessert rice noodles. This dessert is not just unique, but it's a delightful blend of textures and flavors that's sure to leave you wanting more. So go on, give it a try and let the magic of dessert rice noodles enchant your taste buds. And that's a wrap on our rice noodle journey. We've journeyed together through 5 delightful recipes, each one showcasing the surprising versatility of rice noodles. These recipes are not just meals, but culinary adventures, inviting us to explore diverse flavors and techniques. Let's take a moment to reflect on our gastronomic voyage. We began with the rice noodle salad, a refreshing mix of crisp veggies, tender noodles, and a tangy dressing. This dish reminded us that rice noodles can shine even in their simplest form, serving as a canvas for a rainbow of flavors. Next, we ventured into the sizzling realm of stir-fried rice noodles. We saw the noodles transform under high heat, absorbing a medley of savory sauces and mingling with a variety of proteins and veggies. This recipe illustrated the resilience of rice noodles and their ability to take on robust flavors. Our journey then took us to a comforting bowl of rice noodle soup. This soothing dish, brimming with a hearty broth, tender noodles, and an assortment of toppings, demonstrated the adaptability of these noodles. They can easily morph from a crunchy salad ingredient to a soft, slurp-worthy component of a warm soup. We then rolled up our sleeves for the rice noodle rolls. This recipe showed us that rice noodles can also be a fun, hands-on affair. The thin, delicate sheets we used were a testament to the finesse that rice noodles can bring to a dish. Finally, we sweetened things up with our dessert rice noodles. This surprising twist on traditional dessert demonstrated that rice noodles can indeed cross over to the sweet side. Whether drenched in a sweet syrup or mingled with tropical fruits, these noodles prove they can hold their own in the dessert department. Each of these recipes is a testament to the culinary magic that happens when we experiment with simple ingredients like rice noodles. With its chameleon-like ability to adapt to any flavor profile, from tangy salads to sweet desserts, the humble rice noodle is truly a culinary superstar. We hope this journey has sparked your culinary curiosity and inspired you to try these recipes at home. Don't just take our word for it. Embark on your own rice noodle adventure. We'd love to hear about your experiences, your successes, and even the unexpected surprises that pop up along the way. We're genuinely interested in discovering the topics you'd like to see. Don't hesitate to share your suggestions in the comments below. Also, remember to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, happy cooking!